All right, well, we're mic'd up, right? So at least we think we're mic'd up. Sun's gonna be beating on the phone. Steve got a pool, getting ready to drop a liner with my Dr. Pepper. And yeah, so let's jump in this pool, try to make a video at the same time. Hopefully I don't find out that after I talked for 45 minutes straight that the microphone wasn't working. That's definitely happened to me before. Let's take the shirt off. We gotta get pumped up. Take out my Milwaukee knife blade. We'll cut the straps. And, I think being that this is a long formatted video, and usually only people that watch my long videos are my, you know, my hardcore subscribers. We're going to call you hardcore subscribers. So we're going to get this liner in the hole. I don't know what you can see, what you can't see, but I'm here. Whoa. The whole thing almost fell right in on me. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, let's go. Get it up. Yep. We're up. We're up. We're up. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. And now we're down. All right, everybody. Welcome. Josh is back. Josh, the only people that are going to see this video are the hardcores. So, should we keep the shirt on or off? That is the question. I think I'm going to keep it off. All right, we're going to pull this puppy over this way just a little bit. Ooh, this is the Silver Antigua liner. Silver Antigua. I personally like this liner. Set it and forget it. Like the Roncari rotisserie oven. Yeah, I mean, it's like you never left, Josh. It's kind of almost like you never left, to be honest. I got nothing to say. I stopped talking. You know, it's funny. This is the hottest it's been all day. Wouldn't you say? Like this morning, and we were under a lot of shade cover. Shade cover. I like the shade. I mean, I've been enjoying working on this pool simply because of the weather. Or, I mean, the the weather, the shade cover, the trees. I don't recall measuring this liner, Josh. No, I don't think I measured this one. So, try to get our arrows evenly spaced. I'm going to end up giving you that side. And I'll take the... I am almost ready. Yeah, I'm almost ready. Getting there. Of course, Angel thought he did something wrong. Well, yeah. He's like, well, what? He's like, well, what am I going to be doing? I mean, I told you this morning, man. He's a good dude, but he's no you. And then I found out that it was just the switch was made, and I was like, well, I was like, where's the talk? You know what I mean? For whatever reason, buddy, he wanted us back. Like I said, my production had been slowing down, but that just, it's not what I want to talk about when I'm mic'd up in front of all these beautiful people. All right, I'm gonna keep my sandals on. Yeah, you see what I mean about all these rocks, dude? It's gonna be a difficult. All right, let me get to the skimmer area before we go. All right, I'm ready to go. Before you go. We went for it. When's the last time you felt vinyl? You may want to grab your middle and give it a little shaky. Mine was tight. Oh, I had to pull it back to me a little. I can't wait to see the clock on how long it took us to drop this though. because I knew it was going to be a quick drop. So that's why I was like, well, I was like, all right, Josh can do some troweling while I do some plumbing. That never would have happened. The other, you know what I mean? You picked up a little troweling skills. I think if you just kept at it and I wasn't chirping in your ear, you would have just been fine personally. But I figured it was go time. It's funny though, because every time I wear a mic and you're not mic'd up, people watch this video, they can hear me, but they can't hear you. Unless the mic goes dead, then it'll pick up all the noises around. But I literally have not had a mic in, gosh, months, dude. And the reason is because every time I go to do it, it dies on me, or yeah. So I'm eager after we hit the vax to see if it's working or not. I'm a go getter. What's that noise? Is that you? You don't hear that noise? I do. Oh, it's the radio. Thought maybe there was a voice coming from the house or something. Yeah, the ants on this job, man. Outrageous. Yeah, looks like it's gonna fit. So you were able to repair that vac hose? No, but I'll get it. If you wanted to just start doing a vac. No, I mean you could put it in too, but I'm on my way over there now. I'll start the shallow vac while you do the deepage. And I would say it was like, I'm gonna estimate 28 minutes from the time this video started to the time the vacs are running wrinkle free. Yeah, I think the Mickey's gonna be the perfect little thing. Go get it, go get it. Oh yeah. Let me pop these knee pads off because I feel like I should put my shirt back on too, but I don't know, I'll leave it off for good luck. Put it back on when the video is done. This is only day 3 in this reno too. I could probably even have you just turn it on while, let me just kick this back a little bit here. Yeah, because if you turn it on, it'll kind of help hold the hose in place. All right, man. Yeah, kick it and then tape it. The moment of truth has come. Microphone, please still be working. Microphone, check, 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 mic, check, 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 check. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's looking good, everybody. Looking really good. Oh, yeah. See, as he tapes it up. All right, I'm going to walk around a little bit gently. It is a sand bottom. Kick out some of these wrinkles. Now I can turn that other vac on. I don't like walking around barefoot. All right, we're going to hit this one. It's going to get a little loud. We won't talk as much. See the wrinkles in the corners? Trying to talk quietly. Like just smack the corner. Yep. And then that one over there. And then we're good. And we're good. And then Josh will go around with Big Red. Right, we're just gonna kick it in with our shoes off here. I didn't even tape that back over there. All right, we're good. We're good. This would be the moment. Oh yeah. This would be the moment where I wonder if the microphone's working or not, because a lot of times I'll stand in front of the camera talking and the microphone's not even working. I'm hoping it's working. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been liking and subscribing to Steve Got It Pool. Every day the channel grows. I mean, every single day the channel grows. Every single day somebody out there hits that subscribe button and likes what I'm doing. So I just wanted to say thank you to that. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm thinking about 2 different things, actually. The extension cord pulling kind of tight on the outlet over there, so I was like looking at that while I'm talking. But we're going to start filling this puppy, and I'll shut the video down at some point. I'll let you just kind of watch and hear a little bit. Yeah, and the hose can go in whenever, and I gave the customer the filling instructions. Yep, we're gonna finish up this liner job here, and I gotta go do a. I don't even think you can hear what I'm saying. But whatever, I'll just keep talking, right? So we're all done with the liner now, and now I just gotta finish up all the plumbing work now. And I got most of the lines already ran. All right, water's on. I got most of the lines ran. I just gotta do this return over here. All right, I'm gonna hop out. I want to see. I should say that at this stage, when you hit the vacs, let me yell to Josh. Hey, buddy. Yeah, see how it's pulling tight on the outlet over there? Because it's gonna be running like that all weekend. Just make sure it's in good. Yeah, perfect. Wrap it around. That's mint. Hose is running. Let me put a tape mark real quick. So again, I don't know if anybody's listening to me or not. I don't know if this microphone is working. We're gonna definitely check soon. But this orange tape, I'm gonna put it over here by this vacuum, and hopefully the customer can see it. And she'll just leave those vacuums running at all times until we get to that tape mark. I do like your sneakers though, man. I don't know if any of this is working. Hey, it's Josh. Hey, Josh. Welcome back, Josh. Um, we're gonna reveal the whole Josh thing slowly, but coming over here, it's probably a little more quiet, and you got a nice little view of the pool. This is really good right here. 22 minutes. So it took us 20 minutes to install a pool liner. It took us 20 minutes to install this pool liner. So we're gonna shut it down. You can see I got my plumbing work in here. The low wall's teed together, the skimmer, everything's coming around to that shed. And we're going to run a few more lines. So we'll get out of here. I don't know if you can see me. Steve got a pool. Like and subscribe as always. Thanks, everybody.